Hey guys! Today I have a simple savory pastry dish that you can serve as a side dish, a simple breakfast, or an appetizer. If you love tomatoes, you're gonna enjoy this dish. So let's start. So here I'm gonna start by making my own pesto, and it's so easy to make at home. You just wash and dry your basil. You add it to your food processor, about 2 cups. And to that, I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic and 2 tablespoons of pistachios and half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and some salt and pepper. And that's it. With the food processor on, I drizzle the extra virgin olive oil, about 1/4 cup of olive oil. And work it until it's smooth and has the pesto texture, which I'm gonna show you right now. You might wanna add a little bit more olive oil, depending on the texture. Look at the color of the pesto, because I added pistachios. Traditionally, pesto is made with pine nuts, but I changed it up and I used pistachios, and it works really well. I took my puff pastry out of the freezer 2 hours ago, and you can find puff pastry anywhere in your freezer aisle in any grocery these days. I just unfold it, I don't mess with it. I'm just gonna spread a thin layer of pesto. I love healthy, creative cooking, love to experiment with recipes, to share with you the best. Love dessert. So if that's something you enjoy, please subscribe, like and share to see much more. And a little tip for you, I would remove the seeds and the extra juice from the tomatoes. I just didn't do it here just for the presentation. Now I'm gonna cut my very sweet cherry tomatoes in half, and I'm gonna arrange them nicely on top of my pesto. I'm not gonna add any salt to the tomatoes because the pesto is salty enough from all the cheese. Just gonna add some pepper, and it's ready for the oven. I bake it at 400 degrees until the puff pastry is golden brown.